Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're making garlic ranch pretzels with white cheddar. These quick and easy pretzels are perfect for game day watching snacks. Let me show you guys how to make them. So first we're going to preheat the oven to 250 degrees. So next you're going to need a large mixing bowl and we're going to mix up our spices and olive oil before we add in the pretzels. So first we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of white cheddar cheese powder. Next, we're going to add in 4 teaspoons of ranch. And I'm using my homemade ranch seasoning mix, but you guys can use a packet or your favorite one. I'll link my recipe in the description if you guys want to check it out. And then last, we're just going to add in a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Next, we're going to add in our extra virgin olive oil. Now you guys can use any kind of oil you want for this. If you want to use avocado oil, you can use that. If you want to use canola oil, you can use that, but I try to avoid seed oils whenever possible. Now we're just going to whisk this together to combine the spices with the olive oil. And now we're just going to coat the pretzels in this mixture. And I'm using mini pretzel twists today. You guys can use any other kind of pretzel variety that you like. If you want to use like little sticks, you can. If you want to use larger pretzels, you can. This works for any kind of pretzel. Now we're just going to fold this together with the spatula. We want to coat the pretzels completely. Now you're going to line a baking sheet with parchment paper and we're just going to dump out the pretzels and spread them out evenly. Now it's time to bake these at 250 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes or until they're dry and crispy. So once the pretzels come out of the oven, you just want to let them cool completely. And now these are ready to serve. These are perfect for game day watching and they go great with beer. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. And if you want more game day watching snacks, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.